There was a thought initially that pes planus, flat-footedness, gives rise to osteoarthritis of the knee. But now long-term studies have really refuted the charge that the amount of flat-footedness has nothing to do with your knee pains. You'll develop osteoarthritis on your own. And then they talked of lateral wedging causing medial compartment to get better. So then actually you are increasing your pes planus by doing a lateral wedge now. So not relevant. Because you know what has happened is that now that there is more studies and more depth going into different areas which are never explored, there have been tribes seen which are, the whole tribe is flat-footed to that extent that they are like goose. मतलब उनका पूरा ऐसा almost rocker bottom रहता है और उन लोग को कभी foot का pain, knee का pain देखा नहीं वो लोग ने पूरे tribe में. The other thing that they saw is all these guys who are running and they said, it is because of the wrong shoe and because you are running on the cement surface and this and that, you develop all these problems. There is a Tarahumara tribe somewhere in Mexico where all the males run barefooted and average healthy male runs 350 kilometers a day. 350 kilometers a day as a pleasure running. And they walk, then they run barefooted and they run not in the classic thing because वो मालूम है ये सब Adidas और Nike वाले बोलते हैं you have to have the shock absorber where the heels strike and then this and that. They all run on their toes like that. And they did a big study on that whole tribe. Not a single one had any foot injury. Not anyone had any fasciitis. Nature is someone which beautifully adjusts everything for us. Now we are in a zone where we want to be luxurious and we want to be comfortable. So yes, I'll be comfortable wearing better quality shoes or better quality footwear. Fine. But does that necessarily make me free of problems? Not likely. What is the difference according to me now after hindsight without scientific statistics is here. All those Tarahumara tribes has never seen internet. Has never seen a Adidas thing. For them this is natural. क्या है यार? भागा ना 100 किलोमीटर ही भागा ठीक. So the whole process is there. And second is that they have done things which are physically training the soft tissues so beautifully. We have not trained the soft tissues beautifully and we want to run a marathon.
So basically their muscles were so good in strength. I mean they could.
So I mean, but they have trained themselves from. See that it's like you are in her. देख, simple बात है. हम सब में पलाखी मार के नीचे बैठना is what big deal, right? Now you tell that to someone in Sweden, he'll say, "Oh, you're able to do this. Wow, you've been doing yoga." I mean, look, it's how we are brought up.